There's so many new makeup releases that I'm super excited to share with you today. So let's go ahead and dive right in because these are some really good ones and I can't wait to share them with you. So first up, Colourpop has come out with a new liquid blush. I've got here this new liquid blush from Colourpop. This is their glowy weightless liquid blush, and now they've come out with new pearl finish in this blush because they do have these in more matte finish, and these are just a slightly pearlescent finish. It's very natural though. It's not shimmery or anything like that. I have the one here called I Love It, and it's just so beautiful. It gives you a lit from within glow, and it is just super hydrating, super blendable, looks so effortless and gorgeous on your skin. And these are very affordable as well, and you can use a brush or your fingers and it just comes out so beautiful. It's super hydrating and just really gives you a gorgeous fresh look to your face. I've been loving it. I'm actually wearing it right now. It is so hydrating on the skin. It is so dewy. It gives a beautiful shine and, you know, just a radiance to the skin. Not a shine in a shimmer way, but a shine in terms of just skincare infused and giving you this radiance and this glow. They're going to be $10 each. They are super buildable and they're extremely blendable for a fresh pearly glow to your cheeks. And these pigmented formulas feature a weightless creamy texture. They glide onto your skin. They give that effortless lit from within glow to your skin, so that's really great. And you can definitely put these on top of powder products. They really won't disturb the makeup. So these are infused with hyaluronic acid and they definitely do boost hydration. They also do have sea moss in them to also boost hydration and help your skin to retain moisture. So if you have dry skin, you would absolutely love these, but if you don't have dry skin, they definitely will give you that radiance to your skin, and they just give you that, you know, that really natural flushed look to your face. So they definitely make it look like, say, you were just out in the fresh air and you're just naturally flushed, and it's great for those who love the no makeup look. There's also skincare ingredients in here that will soothe the skin, and this is also in the new formula, that the new colors that are coming also all have these same skincare ingredients. The new shades are going to be called Wine and Dine, I Love It, Sweet Treat, then there is Park Avenue, there is City Walk, and there is another shade called Perfect Peach. So now I love the packaging on these. It's so cute with the heart. It's this kind of matte, soft matte packaging, so beautiful. And so now these are extremely, you know, easy to blend, and you know, you can really, these are not like the Rare Beauty that you have to be scared that it's going to be too much. That's not going to happen. Actually, I just use my fingers here. I hope you could see, because I don't really have the best lighting in here, but I don't think it's going to show up. Let me try to move this little light here that I have because it looks too bright. I hope you could see that because I do have this light. I think it's way too bright because it's late at night. I like to show this in daytime. This is definitely very vibrant. For my eye here, it looks like it's not showing up good. I don't know if that's true. Let me try to fix the lighting here. Yeah, this light is crazy. Let me take away the light. I don't know. Do you guys see that? I feel like it's too bright. That's taking away because it's very pigmented in real life, and it looks like here it's showing up very washed out from this light here. But again, I will insert a clip, but I had on a ton of powder and it's just blended like a dream right over the powder. So let me see here. Now, these are amazing. I mean, these are exactly, you know, if you love the Rare Beauty blush, Say blush, liquid blush, Armani blush, I mean, this is the same exact thing. And yeah, there is absolutely no difference in these, and these are only $10. And beautiful packaging, so they're not skimping on anything to give you that great price. So, you know, it's not like it's not in beautiful packaging. It absolutely is gorgeous, very luxurious feeling packaging. So there's really no reason, you know, to buy definitely the Say. This is an exact replica or exact dupe for the Say, because that's also more of a kind of moisturizing liquid blush. It's also, you know, gives a radiance to the skin. The Rare Beauty is super pigmented, so I will give them that. You know, this is more moisturizing than the Rare Beauty, so this is actually, I would say this is an exact dupe for the Say blushes. If you've ever tried those are those Clean Beauty ingredients. These are Clean Beauty too though. So these are amazing. I will definitely have them linked down below with the shop with YouTube feature. But let's get into the next product. So moving along, if you guys saw my previous video, I had mentioned that Lush was going to be coming out with a Hello Kitty collab, and you guys, it is now available in the USA. So in the US, you can scoop them up, and I definitely want to pick something up from this collection. Specifically, I would really love to get a bath bomb, and I really want to try the perfume. So there is going to be, or it is now available actually, I'm going to purchase it online. There is the Hello Kitty bath bomb, which retails for $7.50. There's the My Melody bath bomb, again $7.50. Did they raise, they must have raised the price, because the last time I bought bath bombs they were not $7.50. I could have sworn they were about $3.95. You guys, did Lush just double the price, or is it just the Hello Kitty ones? I gotta look online. But they also do have a cinema roll bath bomb, $7.50, and the Hello Kitty and Friends shower gel, that is $12.50. The Hello Kitty and Friends perfume, which I definitely want, that is $65. And the Friendship Cake soap, which is sold in slices, that is $14.75. And then there is a milk bottle bubble bar, and that is $11.50. So now these are said to have notes of sugary candy floss wrapped in a cleanly, freshly laundered blanket with a dash of Snow Fairy and Milky Bath Magic. So I do believe that Hello Kitty is also coming out with a collab, or it is out now. I'll let you guys know in a moment as soon as I look it up. But I think there's an Innisfree Hello Kitty collab, which I definitely want to get. I saw a picture of it. It's their Innisfree products. Those are K-beauty products. So affordable, amazing, and they're in pink packaging. Now, let me just see what's going on. Is it sold out? You know, a lot of people are saying, oh, the scalpers are going to buy everything and there's not going to be anything left. So I actually gave up. Oh no, they are available. They're online. They're not sold out, because a lot of people are saying, just like the Stanley cups, things like that, people come and buy everything and then resell them on eBay or whatnot, Poshmark, but they're still here. So I'm definitely getting the perfume tonight. Oh, these are so cute, the bath bombs I got. Oh my god, the Friendship Cake is so cute. It's like a strawberry cake. Okay, so it's not sold out. You can get it. I really, when I saw it, I got so excited, but I said, there's no way I'm going to get anything. I figured it'd all be sold out, but it's not. So if you shop online, go up to the Lush site, it's still up. Hopefully you could get something if you have your eye on something. But you guys, there is also a Tarte Cherry Crush lip collection that has just dropped. So these are those, you know, delicious, juicy lips. The Maracuja Shimmer Glass, and these are $27 each for these lips. There is the Lip Plump, and these are going to be in this Cherry Crush color. So I'm really into pink lips now. And there's a Maracuja lip vinyl, a Maracuja lip oil, there is a Maracuja melt mask, and a Maracuja lip balm. There's also a phone holder sticker duo, and so I really want to get some of that too. Do you guys, I have a few of these and I love them, but for some reason I don't reach for them. Maybe they do feel a little bit, you know, gloopy on the lips, you know, a little too slippery, because I do love a thick lip gloss, but I like it to stay in place. These I feel like, you know, but they're super shiny, but sometimes I feel like they're a little slippery. What do you guys think? But they're so nice. I mean, I just love them. So these are not only a cherry color, but they also have a, it says here, they're going to have a cherry cola shade and a scent to them. So that's interesting, because I do love scented, you know, candy and food scented makeup, because it's like, you know, I've been on a diet. So if it's something that kind of tastes or smells like candy, you know, I'm here for it, you know. But I know I say a lot that I don't like, you know, I don't like floral scented. I don't like heavily scented. But if it's candy makeup, okay, that I could deal. I like that, you know. But maybe I like candy scents and I don't like floral scents. Is that what it is? What do you guys? I know a lot of you guys don't like scents either in your makeup, but you guys know what I mean. You know when it's like perfume scented, you know, that is when I'm like, I don't want to eat perfume, you know. But do I want to eat cherry cola? Yes. Do I want cherry cola? Yes, I do. Yes, ma'am. So that's very intriguing now. And it looks really pretty. I don't know if it looks like it translates to like a baby pink on my complexion, or someone like my complexion. Deeper complexions also looks pink. It doesn't look red. What do you guys think? Would you pick that up? Let me know down below, because the more I look at it, I'm like, yes, I need that. Girl, bring it on. Give it to me. Now, something else new from e.l.f. Super exciting. e.l.f. has these e.l.f. Glow Reviver lip balms. Oh, there's one called Strawberry Shortcake. There's a wild cherry one. So these sound really nice. Are these new, or are these just new shades? Wow. Because if you guys tried these, they look so nice. I haven't seen these yet. So they look like, I'm like very intrigued now. Other people said that theirs doesn't have a scent though. People that have these, I was reading the reviews, some people said it has a scent and some people said it doesn't. But people are saying it's a very light scent. So some people don't taste it or smell it and some people do, but because it's very light. So it is, you know, depending which shade you get, some are actually vanilla and some are toffee and some are the strawberry one, and there's a berry one, and that they smell like berries, like it smells like what it's described as, the name. So, or it kind of tastes like that. So I'm very intrigued with the vanilla toffee one. They say it has a caramel tint to it, so that's really nice. That reminds me of a Summer Friday lip that I have. It's kind of coffee flavored and it has a caramel tint, so this will be a great option because I did like it. I did like the toffee taste and the scent. So have you guys tried these? Let me know down below if you have tried them. What do you guys think? And if you haven't tried them, are you going to pick them up? Let me know your thoughts. Now guys, there is a new Jones Road Beauty product coming out. This is actually a tinted moisturizer. Now I have to tell you, I know I've been saying this a lot, but maybe not everybody has seen it, but I am so grateful to you guys for turning me on to this, because I got the Jones Road with the foundation and I don't know what it is, but I love it so much. I feel so good putting it on my skin. I feel like it gives my skin, like it's the ultimate skincare product. It doesn't really give, of course, you know, it's, you know, they say it's a foundation, but then sometimes they describe it as a tinted balm. So, you know, I don't know what, but I love it. I do put on my concealer with it and some setting powder, and I just love it. I love it. I feel like when you see your skin with this on, you look in the mirror and you're like, wow, my skin looks amazing. So it's just like the ultimate skincare product. And it feels so good and soothing when you put it on your skin. It's very moisturizing, but I do have oily skin and it has never left me too oily. I never have felt greasy. I've been wearing it every day. So now they're coming out with an actual tinted moisturizer, and they say they're actually going to be opening retail stores so you can go in store and try all their products. I mean, I think I love this skincare makeup. I'm really addicted to it now. I feel so good knowing that it's good for my skin and I'm putting it on my skin, and you know, I'm not putting anything bad on my skin and things like that. I love it. So now this is the tinted moisturizer, but it is going to retail for $44. Actually, it is available now, so you can pick it up. And it's described as this lightweight tinted moisturizer. They say it will conceal redness. It evens out your skin tone with light coverage. They say it's going to improve hydration. It's going to protect your skin's moisture barrier from water loss. And they say it's the quickest way to feel put together without looking like you've done anything. They describe it as your skin but better. It comes in 16 shades. They say it's going to restore suppleness to your skin. It's going to improve the appearance of dry skin, they say. It's said to be moisturizing and skin restoring. So how would you wear that? Personally, my skin I couldn't handle both. I could handle this or that, you know. This is so moisturizing. I don't know why you need a tinted moisturizer, but if, you know, I guess one or the other, you know. This one does come in a tube, it looks like, so that'd be easier to travel with maybe. But, you know, I don't know, but I just absolutely, I'll probably try that and I'll love it. Because so far I've noticed with this, it just gives you so much radiance. It's a confidence booster because you're like, wow, my skin, it looks like your skin's glowing, and you notice it. I never notice things myself for some reason. I'll notice it on other people. Even when I do people's makeup, I'll put my same products on them and I'll see a huge difference, but I put it on me and I don't see any difference. I think, you know, I don't know what it is, but anyway, would you guys pick this up? Do you guys like the Jones Road? What do you guys think about it? I absolutely love it. I just think it's so amazing. And guys, let me know what you think though. Would you pick up the tinted moisturizer? I would love to go to their retail store. So they say that retail stores are coming soon. So they say they do have a retail store though in the Hamptons, I think, in Long Island. So I'll have to look into that, but they say there's more stores coming. So anyway, what do you guys think though? Do you guys like Jones Road? Let me know down below. I'm wearing it now. Of course, I do wear concealer though, but other than that, I just have on the Jones Road concealer, some Mycosa setting powder, and now I just put on some of this blush. So I had it on already though, but I put on some more, and you know, just a lip. Oh, and my Colourpop, I'm wearing the Colourpop Toy Story eyeshadow palette. Love it. So anyway guys, also a new product that is coming out from Laneige. This is the Matcha Bubble Tea Sleeping Mask, and there's also a new glowy lip glowy balm. So that sounds really nice if you love Laneige. is K-Beauty, but it's, you know, these are not that expensive in a way. You know, the glowy balm is $19, which is pretty, you know, comparative to these other balms that are out there. They're so pricey. And then the lip sleeping mask is going to go for $24. And these are enriched with shea butter, and they are renowned for their repairing and hydrating benefits. The lip glowy balm provides intense moisture that lasts. These are lightweight, non-sticky balms. They glide on effortlessly, and they do give you a gorgeous shine. Now, I personally love the lip sleeping mask. If you wear like a lip gloss in the daytime, your lips are so glossy. If you like a glossy lip, wow, it looks beautiful over lipstick. So, you know, it really, I have the grape one. Oh my gosh, it looks so beautiful over your lipstick. It's so beautiful. And they say it's for the nighttime sleeping mask, but you can wear it in the day like a lip gloss, and it's gorgeous. So actually, I would like to get this now that I look at it, because I love bubble tea. So it's gonna taste like bubble tea. I love bubble tea. So yeah, I love matcha too. I love matcha. So actually, I want this because I really want to get this because I love matcha. I think I'll put that in my, hopefully I could get that at the Sephora sale before it's over. So let me know if you'll pick it up though. But also, guys, there is a new TirTir waterproof setting spray, and so I personally love my TirTir setting spray that I have right now. It's amazing. It's so moisturizing. It feels so good on the skin. You know, I just bought the Huda setting spray. Now that's not moisturizing, so you know, but it does make your skin look super smooth and poreless. But the TirTir setting spray gives moisture to the skin. It gives radiance. It feels really good on the skin, very hydrating, and feels, you know, just feels really good. But here is this one from TirTir. It's only going to be $9, and it is said to be waterproof, sweat-proof, and transfer proof. That's really amazing, because again, the other one that I have is definitely moisturizing, so this one's going to be more like, you know, a budge proof setting spray. That's really interesting. I love the pink packaging, and it says it's going to give a matte finish. Again, the other one that I have from them it's very radiant, dewy finish, so this is really great. They say that this is something you'd want to take with you to the gym to do sports. You know, I don't know, when I go to the gym, I like my skin to be clean of anything, preferably. But anyway, they say it's going to be humidity proof, so, and it's a great price too. So I personally love TirTir. Do you guys like TirTir? And there is also something I'm super excited about. It's an air cushion foundation. So if you have ever seen like the K-Beauty foundation, there's also a Dior foundation like this. You open it up, it's foundation in a kind of a compact form, and you press it into your skin. I have the Dior one, and I love that so much. I bought it several times. You know, it's very easy to travel with. It gives your skin a gorgeous glow. So I'm really excited to try the Charlotte Tilbury. Also, the Charlotte Tilbury comes beautifully packaged. I love the pink, and it is a very like old Hollywood vibe to the packaging. So I really love that for the packaging alone, but I also know I love cushion foundation. Also, another one great cushion foundation is Florisist. They have an amazing cushion foundation. I wonder, I can't wait to get this. Actually, it's not available yet. Hopefully when you see this video though, it'll be available. It does come in this beautiful compact with a sponge and a mirror. So I'm not sure if it's available yet, but they say it's coming, and there's pictures out, so I guess it's coming soon. But I imagine it'd be somewhere at least $40 and up, because you know that's usually what Charlotte Tilbury goes for. But would you guys pick that up? I definitely want to get that. Oh yes, guys, so I was telling you earlier that Innisfree is doing a Hello Kitty collab. Actually, it's a My Melody collab, so it's very similar, and it's in pink packaging. It is so cute. Oh, and Innisfree is just the best skincare. It really is, and it's so affordable. And now in pink packaging, again, K-Beauty. Oh, I can't resist this. Now it says the products are going for around $26. They are infused with 5 different types of hyaluronic acid. Can you imagine? It's like, and green tea. I guess this is just one product, I guess. Actually, I thought it was a collection, but it's one product, and this is a cream. So it is available now, and it's actually $26. So it also has squalane in it, which is going to strengthen your skin barrier. So it's so cute. I mean, how cute. I really, really want to get this. I'm going to have to order this because it is adorable. The packaging, and then Innisfree, the two best. It's so cute, you guys. I can't take it. Wow. So let me know if you saw anything today that you will be picking up. There's a lot of new skincare, a lot of new makeup. Let me know if you have your eye on anything. Let me know your thoughts down below. Have you tried any of these yet? Let me know what you're loving. And that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you're all doing good. Thank you so much for spending time with me today, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.